Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood here at my home garage. Today we're going to do a little demo on a tool that is very handy for doing jobs just like I'm about to do here, and that is splitting apart suspension parts on a new or classic car. What I have is the 5-piece tie rod and ball joint splitter kit here. I really like this kit because it has a handle for using your Eastwood dead blow or big hammer, and it also has a attachment here that we can put this in our air chisel or our air rivet gun, and we can use it to knock apart tie rods and ball joints. So I'm going to put this together here, show you guys how well it works for taking apart all these rusty stuck tie rods and ball joints on this front axle. Alright, so as you can see, I used both methods, both with the air chisel and also just with the hammer and the appropriate handle on there, and I was able to knock apart this front axle to both pull it out of the car and also blow it apart for restoration. So this comes with 3 different size forks in it. In this particular project we use the smallest and the second largest for this project, but it does come with forks that will work with both a regular car like this all the way up to a big 4x4 truck, and you can get the job done. If you want to learn more about the product that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks guys, catch you later.